nigga, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this hairstyle I did on my best friend. So I did a jumbo braid with feed-in braids at the front. I also added some small ones in between. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I did this quick and simple style, continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And I'll be back in the next clip. So I'm just starting off parting her hair from ear to ear. And once that's done, I'm just gonna take the back half and clip it away so that I can work with the front. So I'm starting off by parting her hair straight down the middle, and I'm going in with my 24-hour ebon edge control. So I am going to be doing her small braid first. So I do a middle part and I take a small piece from one side and that same amount from the opposite side, just so that I can make sure the braid is in the middle. Now I'm going in and starting on one side, and I'm gonna make that small braid in between the two big braids. And I don't normally add any hair extensions to this braid, so I'm just braiding it out. So once my small braid is completed, I am going to go in with my ebon edge control and spread it all over the part that I'm going to be doing the big feed-in braid on. And when I apply my edge control, I always comb it out to smoothen it. That way when I braid it, it is easier. And when I do my feed-in braids, I start with a small piece and gradually my pieces get bigger. And I'll be doing 2 feed-in braids on each side of her head. Now that the braids are done, I'm going to comb up her hair into a ponytail. That way I can slick it up easier with my Got To Be Free spray. So don't forget to comb the hair over once you spray the Got To Be Free spray to make sure it is smooth. And then I'm going in with my blow dryer on warm temperature just to seal it. So here I am just going to take out that band and retie her hair in the ponytail. So I'm using half a pack of expressions already pre-stretched hair, and I'm just going to take the end of the hair and tie it with her ponytail. The next side I'm just gonna put over, so now you can see all the braiding hair is on top of her hair in the ponytail. And right here I'm just taking a piece for my wrap, so I'm just gonna put it to the side for now. I will be adding in here to make her ponytail thicker and longer. once her braid ponytail is completed, I am going in with my mousse over my edge control. This helps prevent the hair from turning white. And I'm just going over with my blow dryer. Once this is done, I am just going to cut her hair in hot water, her braided hair, just so that it's not stiff. And make sure the water is not too hot because the braid will not look the same, trust me.